Range Rover Vogue 2013. Upgrade 2024. Model complete interior and exterior. Fully changed. As you can see, door handles, side step, electric front. Bumper, rear bumper, fan door, headlight, back door, backlight, same like original. Full kit available. Welcome the order, let's do it. Available in different colors. The highest option, plug and play, all options are working like in new models. Banknote with $, we accept bank wire, cash, crypto, USDT. Package worldwide shipping, passenger ship, aeroplane departure. Push bin for details, price and order, feel free to contact us. The best regards. Cardction Car Accessories. TN.